This is my Stanley fatmax prostack. First box, we got double impact, 2 double batteries, 2 amp, 4 amp, impact bits, drills, square, drill, 2 batteries for the drill, 1 amp, 1.5 amp, 2 amp, 2 insulated screwdrivers, live wire tester, spirit level. Take that off. Dowels, concrete screws, square ball nails, rivets, raw plugs, self-tap nails, wood screws, extra nails. This one ain't gonna take off because these are drawers. And this one, we've got screwdrivers, pencil, chisels, hammer, short little screwdrivers as well. That was all nice. So they're shutting open real well. I have labelled them. There's some clippers, long nose, pliers. I can't remember what these things are called. Adjustable spanner, 22mm, hex bit, Allen keys, square, and I can't remember what half the tool's called on these things. That's it for that drawer, and then we'll go for the bottom. That's my bottom drawer, the rolling drawer. Got 2 nice big wheels on it. Open it up. Open it up. And then we've got white spirit, expanding foam nozzles, WD-40 super glue, extra bits. Take that off. Handsaw, clamp, scraper, paintbrushes, jigsaw, stapler gun, drill bits, cork gun, impact charger, lead square, loads of good stuff in there. That's it for my Stanley fatmax prostack. Any ideas for what I should do, any changes, put down in the comments.